All right, guys, welcome to another training section. Today we are going to be talking about technical indicators. These are tools that are available on our trading platform that will enable us to make a decisive decision on our trading. So we have many of them. We have moving average indicator, we have exponential moving average indicator, and also we have Bollinger charts indicator. But for today, I'm going to be elaborating on Bollinger chart. And what Bollinger chart basically does for us is it gives us a higher band and a lower band and the center band, so that we'll be able to know when the market is overbought and oversold. So the center band basically shows us a reversal point, right? So when the market is reversing, we should be able to deduce if it will go touch the lower band or the upper band. So that is what Bollinger charts actually avail us. Today I'll be going into my system and to show you guys how it looks like. So for some of us that did the science in II institution, probably how to read charts, right? So there are a lot of deduction we can do after plotting our chart. So same thing applicable here, and we are going to be using the same method to make decision whether to enter into the market or to pull out of the market. This will optimize our profit making and to help us in whatever decision we are making in the market. Today we are going to be going through it in details, and I have my system here. Let me open it. Let me open the computer. I think I need to share my screen, right? Sorry, before I go forward, I would love to talk about crypto market pattern. And this pattern is what traders use all over the world in making decisions. In fact, I should say that is the pattern that crypto market follows. I always align crypto market to our daily market analysis, where a cost of a commodity will go up and sometimes it will fall. So it is the same thing that is applicable here in crypto market. So this I think we have Ethereum USDT chart here, and let me carve out this area to enable me analyze crypto market pattern. Yes, so that is what we have. The area that is being circled is what I want to use to analyze the crypto market. So if we start from here, from the first candle here, right, it means people are coming into market to buy, right? And you can see as the market grows, appreciated to here, to these red candles here, then a little bit the market falls again, then it continues. It means more people are buying here, right? Normally what this means is the market has been overbought. Sorry, the markets have been oversold, but there are some people that are still holding on to the market, and the market keeps on appreciating. If you look, you will see right to this point, right? This is where the market starts depreciating, right? Then it continues to depreciate right from here, and it falls back close to where it picks up, right? This is where it picks up from. Let me pick another brush to shows it. So this is our pickup point and this is our ending point. Sorry, let me return it back. Right, so this is our ending point. So crypto markets will mostly follow this pattern. And if you are familiar with it, it will help you a lot to know the shape at which a market is following. So I will delete this. This is only merely to show you the crypto market pattern. Generally, it will always align to this form, which means it starts from down, it goes up, then it returns back down. That is how simple it is. So we'll go back to Bollinger chart. I will delete this. I'll delete this, right? So this is Bollinger Band, right? So if you are changing, like I said, there are other indicators. You click on your indicators here. Right, technical indicator, we have them. We have moving average. Let me look at it. Moving average exponential. You can see that the pattern has changed. We have okay, Bollinger Band. Of course, you can see all the indicators that we have here. So I'll quickly remove. I'll go back to the Bollinger Band so that I can brief you guys on it. Right. So okay, the moving average is still there. I need to remove that. Moving average exponential. I need to remove that. Okay. How do I remove that now? I've not been able to remove it. It's still there. Okay, here is where I will remove it. Okay, all right. So I've removed the Bollinger, exponential moving average. So here is the Bollinger chart that we have, and currently I'm on the 1 month chart. Probably I should start from 4 hours. I usually use 4 hours. So what this simply means is that every 4 hours you have a new candlestick. So if you are using a 4 hours chart, it means before you make decision, you are spreading your decision over a 4 hours period. So let me show you how Bollinger charts works. So this red line is the upper band, right? And this green line is the lower band. The middle band is the blue line, and is mostly the reversal line. And let me quickly start from here. Let me use a circle instead. Let me use a brush. All right, so if you, let's start from down. Let's start from here. Probably I should zoom in so that we will understand better. Sorry. Okay. So when the candle touches the lower band, it means more people are buying that particular coin or asset. So, and you know, when people buy a particular asset, the value begins to appreciate, and that's what we have here. The value keeps on appreciating in a aim to go and hit the upper band. You can always double check that. So let me use another color of, brush, so that the markets will keep on appreciating. So you can see, follow the candle from here. It keeps on going up until it hits the red line up here. All right. It barely hits the line, right? But we can quickly, if you are a very smart trader, you can actually take your profit there. So the line, after approaching the red line, it means that region has been oversold. It means more people are now selling off their crypto, right? Then the markets, you expect, will now start depreciating. So it comes down, the candle keeps on falling until it touches the lower band again, and it keeps on going up. You can see, if you follow that pattern like that, as I'm marking it, you can see those are the key points where the market reverses, right? So it is enough for us to make decision that, okay, well, if the market has reached a lower band, we quickly probably take profit at that point, and we allow the markets to reverse back up to hit the upper band. So that is a simple analysis of how Bollinger Band works. So from here, if you notice from here, of course you will expect that the markets will return to the lower bands, but sometimes that is where you mitigate your decision. You can see that instead of it to reverse here, the candle keeps on climbing on this upper band until it reaches this point here, before it now starts complying with the market shape. You can see. So sometimes you will experience some climbing on either the lower band or the upper band. So it simply tells you that the market is probably on a bearish or on a bullish cycle. Like, also, if you notice from here too, you can see, instead of it to reverse back to the upper band, the market keeps on falling, and it was climbing down on the lower band. You can see it here until it gets here, and even when it gets here, instead of going back up, it keeps on climbing down. It's shows a bullish cycle here. So that is how it works. So let me use higher interval. Let me use 1 day also to explain it. If you see a one day chart, okay, this is a 1 day chart. Sorry, and I should have deleted my. Has it been recording? Wow, 24 minutes. All right, this is a 1 day chart. I've switched, and I want to quickly show you the same patterns that follows as the crypto market pattern. So this is it. If I start from here, let me pick my, okay, if I start from here, I think red line will be better, right? It's not as visible as I want it. Okay, let me use arrow. Sorry, arrow maker. So if I start from here, you can see the markets start appreciating from here after reaching the lower band here, and it hits the red line, the upper band, and from there it starts appreciating, starts climbing on here on the red line, until it now returns back to touch the lower band. All right, so after the lower band, it returns back to the upper band, and it continues as such. Until it reaches here again. Then it continues to climb, and when it comes to the middle line, it reverses again, and it continues on the red line. So from here it returns back to the lower band, and that is where the market is currently. And from now here is now trying to reapproach the upper band. So that is simply how the market trend is. So let me quickly show you also for the 1 month, right? Or let me use 1 week right now. So if you look closely to the 1 week analysis, you can see this from here. The trend starts from here. Let me use the arrow. It starts here, right, and it keeps on climbing, approaches the red upper line, then it keeps on climbing. So hopefully we are predicting that the market shape will comply, and it will fall back to somewhere around the lower band. That is our current prediction. All right, so guys, thank you for watching. I know it is not easy, but with time, keeps on working around the chart, check all the indicators, and understand certain things about them before you can be able to understand the totality. So thank you for watching. If you come across this video, kindly share, click like, and comment on the comment section. Let's have your view. Thank you.